In this video, I'll show you in detail how to remove or reduce ads on any Vivo phone. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Google, then select All Services. Now scroll down and tap on Ads. Here, you'll see options related to your advertising ID. Tap on Reset Advertising ID, then press Confirm. After that, tap on Delete Advertising ID and confirm again. This step stops apps from using your advertising ID to show you personalized ads. Next, go back to your home screen and open the Google Chrome app. Tap on the profile icon in the top of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Inside Site Settings, tap on Pop-ups and Redirects, and you can also click on the second option. That's it. This is how you can reduce and block most ads on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel for more easy guides. Thanks for watching.